Welcome to another video. Just a really quick tip today. And most of you probably have looked through a PDF and you've seen views out of order and all over the place. And so what we want to do today is we want to align all these views so they're in the same spot on every sheet and perfectly aligned. And so we're going to use a quick function which is now built into Revit sheets and in the viewports. So stay tuned for how we do that. So to get started here, we have this view set up, and when you look at this view and I go to the next view, you can see how this view and the previous view on this sheet are in different places. And we want to align those. Previously, I would have gone to the view tab and I would have gone to grid guides and I've set up some guide and manually moved the view to the particular coordinate. Well, now there's a new function here, so I can go into this view. I maybe like this view. I maybe want to keep some extra space on the side and top. Let's click this view. We're going to go up here. We're going to click Save Position, and we're going to call this Floor Plans. And you can use whatever name you like, and it's going to save this position. We can now go to our level 2, and we can actually click on the same view, and we can go to floor plans. It's going to move that view to the same position. And we obviously still need to drag our title up here. And to actually change the length of this line, I'm going to click that box and move it in. So let me just actually create one more sheet here. So I'm just going to go to New Sheet, and we'll use our title block that we have here. And it's set to A202. We'll call this level 3. And I'm gonna just drag over our level 3 here. And there's probably gonna be a bunch of extra stuff when I drag this over. Let me draw that again. And we've got some elevation tags and stuff on here, but regardless of all that, if I go to floor plans and just bring this view, it's going to kind of ignore all that extra stuff that's around the outside. And so just a great way to keep all your views in the same place. So when you print a PDF, everything looks perfect. Thanks for watching.